Sales reps are often compensated through a combination of base salary and commission-based incentives. Calculating commissions can be time-consuming and error-prone if done manually, especially if the commission structure is complex. But automating this process using Coefficient to import Salesforce data into Google Sheets can save time, reduce errors, and improve transparency for your sales team. Today, I'll walk you through a simple worksheet that can be used to calculate your sales rep's sales commission. First, launch the Coefficient app using the Extensions tab in the top ribbon. Coefficient Launch. Choose Import from Salesforce from Object and Fields, and choose the Opportunity object. Click Next, and select Fields. I'll import the owner full name, the opportunity amount, and close date. Click Done selecting fields. Let's add a filter to only include deals that have been closed won. In the Filters card in the Coefficient window, select Add Filter, select the opportunity stage, and choose Is One Of, and select your closed won stage. To take your import to the next level, let's use pivot mode. Drag full name to rows, your close date to columns, and your amount to values. Choose your group by option. I'll choose by quarter, and choose your value setting. I'll choose sum. Name your import, and click Import. Now that I've created my import, I can start building out my Summary tab to calculate how much I need to pay my sales reps. To illustrate this example, I have a simple tiered commission rate structure. Let's start building. So now let's start calculating how much I owe Michael Brown, Emily Johnson, John Smith, and Jane Doe in their Q1 sales commissions. Let's use Google Sheets XLOOKUP to find Michael Brown's Q1 2022 closed won deals. So my search key will be Michael Brown. I will make sure I lock that column, and I will look that up in my Salesforce Import, which has a list of names of my sales reps. I'll lock this range. And the result range I want is my Q1 2022 closed won deals result. So I'll highlight this column, but I will lock these rows because I want to be able to drag this formula across and down, but I don't want the rows to change, but the column to change as I see Q2, Q3, and Q4 expand here on my Salesforce import. Close parentheses and enter. I'm going to copy this because I want to actually look up the sales commission percentage in this table based on this result here. So let's look up the commission rate percentage. I'll do times VLOOKUP, and the search key I have is the 99,000, which is the result of that XLOOKUP function. I will look it up in this range, which is my sales commissions table. Lock this table. I'll return the third column in this table, and I will say, yes, this table is sorted. Close parentheses and enter. So it looks like I owe Michael Brown a little over $6,900 for his Q1 sales. Now I can click and drag this down so I can calculate Emily, John, and Jane's sales commissions. And I can grab this and now drag it across so I can be prepared when Q2 and Q3 and Q4 appear in my import. Now that I have my sales commissions calculated correctly, I'm going to turn on my automatic refreshes for my Salesforce imports. I'll go to my imports in my Coefficient app, click the three dots and click Edit. And I'll turn on my refresh schedule and change this to be every day at 7 a.m. and I'll click Save. So now this data will update every day at 7 a.m. And as the quarters go by, I will be able to see how much I need to pay Michael, Emily, John, and Jane for all of their hard work on the sales team. And now as the year has gone by, I now have a full year's worth of data in my Salesforce import, and I can accurately reflect how much sales commission I owe my sales team.